cheers! Thank you for watching me. My name is Katya and today I'm trying wonderful whitening strip from the brand Onuge. And the next one which I wish to try, it's our residue-free teeth whitening strips. They're soft, they're comfortable, and I know that lots of people, when they started to use the whitening strips, they're going to say, I don't like the feeling you remove, maybe it can stay something on your teeth. But with this whitening strip, no need to worry, they are free of gel residues on the teeth surface after using. First of all, I like the box very much, it's very beautiful, and I like the cranberry flavor. Inside we have strips, and in every package we have 2 strips for the upper teeth and for the lower teeth. So now let's try how we are going to use them. And I can tell you that you shouldn't worry about talking while you're using it, drinking water, because nothing is going to cause you discomfort. Let's try them. Here we go, 2 of them. They're very transparent, and what I like, they're absolutely invisible. So let me show it to you. Very nice, and as you see, I can talk to you. It's not causing me any discomfort. Also, don't be scared to drink water. This one, it's not going to cause any problems to you. We are done, and now I can do my things. I can talk with friends, I can stay in the university, or even I can go to the gym. And at the same time, these wonderful strips, they're going to work on the white surface of my teeth. 30 minutes passed, and here I'm back to check our wonderful result. The lower part. Really wonderful. I like the flavor, and also I like the feeling that my teeth, they are absolutely dry and I don't have any residue on them. It's just wonderful, and also what I like, that it was not bringing to me any problems with my gums, because I have very sensitive gums, or with my teeth, because it's very convenient. So give it a try.